Let's start with silver because that has continued to decline for a second straight day. Between Monday and Tuesday, you saw nearly 11% of gains coming in, but between yesterday and today, it's down nearly 13% in 2 days. That's how silver has been trading. Declined 8% yesterday, is trading 5% down in the international markets, and in the Indian markets also, we have seen 4% of a cut coming in case of silver prices. The cues, of course, are coming in from the international markets, where euro is trading at a 3-week close. Euro just about holding 1.42 at this point in time. We spoke to Commerce Bank and they say that their near-term target for euro is at 1.4145 on the lower side. So if euro continues to decline, you might see some more pressure coming in case of commodities. It's not just silver. The cues have been coming in from crude as well, which declined 5.5% yesterday, just about holding $98 at this point in time. A breach at 97 on the lower side can take the crude prices also down to 94.80. That is the kind of low that you saw in the last week for crude prices. Markets, of course, are waiting the U.S. retail sales data today in the evening, and if that is anything to go by, that is the direction markets will be, of course, taking in. The dollar index is in the meanwhile holding around 3-week highs, holding around 75.4 on the higher side. The near-term target for dollar index is around 75.8. With all those kind of cues coming in, the pressure in commodities can continue, especially in case of silver, where 35.5 is an immediate target on the lower side. A breach of that can hit a lot of stop targets and then can take the silver down to $32 an ounce. So all those figures really coming out from the brokerage houses at this point in time.